Welcome to BMWworldstickers.com. Please visit our website. We have exciting news. We have different models coming. Today is the presentation of the R1200 GS Adventure Rallye. Very soon we are going to have the yellow stickers for as well the 40th anniversary 1250 Adventure. New models as well coming, the Rallye 21 non-adventure or the 850 adventure. New stickers for all these models. But let's talk about this one. This one is how to apply the side tank stickers in blue map. The options are as well red, gray, black, white, that is a different white than the white of the motorbike and becomes very subtle or transparent. For the center tank, the same. Red, blue, gray, white, black, transparent. And you can create the combination. Let's say that you want the center tank in red and the side tanks in blue. Is no problem. Just drop us a line. Go into our website and you will find what you need. We ship from Spain or England accordingly. Characteristics of this product: UV protection against water, fuel chemicals, or cleaning fluids. Let's say that you park on a petrol station, side stand on, you put petrol and pours over the sticker. The sticker will not move and it will not be affected by it. Has got a professional finish. It will add gloss and thickness and is against the scratch and friction. It will protect your painting from the side or the tank areas where scratches are most common. If you don't feel confident or skillful enough to apply it, look for a pro. This timing that takes to apply this sticker is real timing. There is no editing. So this pro, he should charge you according to his time, her time. So basically, should not charge you that much. In case that one day you want to peel it off, is no problem either. So please visit our website. Any doubts, drop us a line. We are always here to help. Thank you very much. Safe rides. And above all, great adventures. Thank you. Please subscribe.